Tsim Sha, basta ilalagay ko lang yung link dito guys kasi hindi ko ma-pronounce. We're gonna go
Tsim Sha Tsui.
Tsim Sha Tsui. We're gonna go to Stars Avenue Stars. So in front ko pala is yung Hong Kong parang clock, Hong Kong clock. Sure ba na? Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya. We passed the ano siya guys, Hong Kong Tower clock. Siya Big Ben sa London, ganyan siya. Daming tao ngayon guys kasi holiday now. It's Monday holiday dito sa Hong Kong. Famous dito na wala na. Okay, let's move on to may statue din dito. And then lastly is itong, hindi ko alam kung famous. Bakit famous siya? Tell me guys, bakit famous siya? Huh? It's just like a pig. Check natin yung Kowloon Park ng Hong Kong. Naglakad-lakad lang kami guys. Oh, ang daming nagpipiknik dito. Ang init ng Hong Kong guys, grabe. So we found the meron silang Shangri-La dito, and then our favorite coffee shop, Starbucks. We finally found it, something to take a break. Got Mocha and Java Chip yung sour ko, and then I got this mushroom cheese bread nila. At saka ito pala yung view namin from outside guys. We are here. Pauwi na pala kami guys. Pabalik na kami ng hotel. So grabe yung nilakad namin. Paguda ang show. We walk like start from 3 until 6:15. Grabe. Napalutan pag yun ko. Lechon. Sakit niya akong tiil. Yung OOTD ko pala today guys at this top is from H&M. This dangle is also from H&M. Ganda diba? Inspired and influence of Big Magic. Then yung short ko also H&M siya.
Young, dumb